I'm a mute main because I have good positioning with mute. You have the positioning of a coughing baby. That's your positioning. So what I want you to do is use ARs and SMGs because for shotguns, you have to position yourself well. All right? Yo, oh my God. For a second, I thought you were going to load in with another shotgun.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely not happening.
Look, bro, what you just here's what you got to realize about Siege, Dantes, okay?
Okay.
90 to 95% of the time, especially when you're attacking, you're not going to have a shotgun. Shotguns are only really used on Warden and Mute because they hold sight and they place close quarters. Again, you have the positioning of an injured Gazelle, so there's no point of putting you on a shotgun. Does that make sense?